This is a 3-in-1 outdoor pet water bottle. Features 3 interchangeable lids, comes with 2 bowl-shaped bases at the bottom, perfect for your dog's meals. Great for pet snacks between meals. Pour water from the bottle into the bowl. Also hides small items like keys or earbuds. Dual vacuum. Insulated 304 stainless steel body. Maintains temperature for up to 24 hours. Ultra durable and unbreakable. Extra large inner capacity. Super sized for all your needs. We are the source factory. Our products passed FDA LFGB tests. SGS. We have a complete and scientific quality management system. All equipments and facilities are high-tech and well-operated. Semi-automated production lines, step-by-step, precision-controlled manufacturing, streamlined production with strict quality checks, laser-finished polishing plus hand-detailed smoothing professional production team ensuring top quality. Customization options available: bottle capacity, bottle design, bottle logo. Our strengths: expert sales team to guide you, dedicated after-sales support. We have already established long-term relationships with clients from USA, Spain, Italy and Australia. Your ideas matter. Contact us anytime. We look forward to your inquiry.